problem no dey finish o. This one na all the way from Ghana. They just arrest one pastor wey name na Reverend Owusu Bempah. This one na man of God, but him and one other prophet wey they call am Nana. So of them they get clash. Now there a man of God come carry gun and boys without. Say he won't go far. I don't know since when pastor turned to Agbero. But my viewers never watch this video, I beg, make na follow me see.
I mean, yapa, me taking records. Me taking records. Maba me fear. Me want me fear, so you should enter. You should enter. Me you should come and kill me. Me want me fear. Oh yeah, mama. Me want me fear. If you are a man, you should enter the house. Me want me fear. If you are a man, you should enter the house now. Me want me fear. Me say, Prophet, if you are a man, you should come here. If you are a man, you should come. If you are a man, you should come. Owusu Bempah ba me fear so be come. Ghana police. Owusu Bempah also be come. I me try me fear. Me am in here. Me come baby ya. Mo ba me fear me na bonten. When you Bempah you should come out. Tell me when you Bempah you should come here. And I'm full so be from. They were life, man.
Hey, I know some say good the one that say what do one cause man of God to go they fight another prophet? Now there I hear say these two people in fact they know they agree at all. And this woman where this man they fight before she be fetish spirit, but now she say God don't call her, so she don't turn to evangelist. So now this lady now come they tackle this general overseer of Glorious World Power Ministry. She talk say this pastor now useless prophet auntie. This kind is so too strong now. Why be say good they tell man of God saying useless, in which God don't talk say in they useful. I sure say this thing pain and I waiting make this man now come decide say in one tackle am. But now there people come the reason and say but these two people before now they very close. Say that the reason and say this pastor Owusu say she and this lady they even be spiritual father. The guy say lie. Say no even they close to his spiritual anything. Say this man get one case say him be gay. Now wait till she come once and now they help this man tackle the thing. Say in fact they say this man na pedophile. Make her not to go shout am. Make no come go blessing and they talk and say this man they sleep with small children. A man of God. And say for her life now there she go see say this pastor they do makeup. Hey, now wow. It surprised me. Say pastor go rub foundation and things enter altar. And people no go notice. Say in fact she no even like this pastor at all. And say everything where this pastor did in fact in they hide under God. Say no be real prophet. But I can't surprise. I beg how she tell no. If no be say this man self don't go this lady hand, maybe na there she himself go collect his own power. But me say I can't the reason I say maybe this woman self just won't spoil this pastor. Because now as our church is there now, everybody want do competition. So maybe in the reason I say make him spoil everything. But my problem now, as this woman talk all this thing, as the thing vex this pastor rich. This man no reason I say make him even calm down, leave everything to God, make God help and settle the fight. He can carry boys, carry in church members, say they won't go fight. They carry guns and things, carry military men, and no be in a war zone they go. Say they won't go fight this woman, police. So a pastor, now this woman say they down, they ready for them. Say in fact she they pray say make they even come the house, come scatter everything, so that she go carry this matter go police. At least she go get reason to fight this kind of people. But I beg, since when Babalawo been waiting to call and pastor come begin relate. Because to me I don't reason say as this woman they talk, this pastor for just reason say no be your own business, make him just forget her. But as this man go do this thing, he be like say the thing no even go well with Ghana court. Now there they come decide say they go arrest this pastor with the 4 other men. When full on plus the town say they go this woman place. Now there they arrest this man. Fine and go say they go carry this man go court before we go see God don't start to the fake sickness. Say malaria they do and this one they do. Hey, on they see like pastor. He no one go court. He no say the thing when you do, he dey very wrong. Because fine, you go accept that on they fight. But you don't get any right to carry boys and area guys, carry gun and things, machete. Say they go another person's house, that one a trespassing. So I just say because of that one and I waiting make court come decide say they go carry you go. But this how this man they form say I hope say soon they no go change this matter. Because I hear say this pastor with the ruling party, in fact they be 5 and 6. Him and MPP, they very, very close. So sooner or later, we know we gonna hear saying because saying they close to MPP, they go talk saying malaria, they don't carry and go hospital. I hope say the Ghana police go do their investigation well. Find out the truth about the matter. What even cause the whole thing? Make it not go be saying that the woman say first find trouble because now no say women our mouth, they stay one place. Any small thing, church, maybe now she go first find trouble for this man herself can go do it own. But anyways, make government find something to do. Find their investigation, do and work before they go they put mouth inside matter we no consign them. Anyway, my viewers, I hear this one now. I see make I bring and come. If you not get anything to talk about them, make I write them inside the comment section. Make I stay tuned for our next story.